Hello everyone, this is Ravindra Rathod. Welcome to Study Setu. Today we will see about top 3D modeling CAD softwares for mechanical engineering. So let's start. CATIA stands for Computer Aided Three-Dimensional Interactive Application. CATIA is one of the world's leading product design CAD software created by Dassault Systems. As a mechanical engineer, by using CATIA you can deal with parts design, assembly drawing generation, kinematic simulation, etc. CATIA is used by leading automotive and aerospace-based organizations in the world because of its capability. The biggest application of CATIA design is in aerospace, like European aerospace giant Airbus and Canadian aircraft maker Bombardier Aerospace has done all of its design on CATIA. Many automotive companies use CATIA to varying their design degrees, including BMW, Porsche, Audi, Tesla Motors, and Tata Motors. INVENTOR is mechanical design and simulation software developed by Autodesk. By using INVENTOR, you can create digital mechanical solid prototypes. It is used for 3D mechanical design, design communication, tooling creation, and product simulation. It powers advanced mechanical engineering design, finite element analysis, product data management, and mold design tools. Its advanced features include sheet metal design, harness, cable, plastic parts, pipe, tube, tool design, etc. CREO, formerly known as Pro Engineer, is a product design software developed by PTC for 2D, 3D CAD, parametric designing, direct modeling, model-based definition, reverse engineering, and human factors design. It also features simulation tools for analyzing the product's performance, including structural vibration, motion, and thermal analysis. Geometric tolerance analysis, fatigue performance analysis can be performed by using CREO. The new CREO 7.0 enables the latest in generative design, real-time simulation, and additive manufacturing. And here is the top customers of CREO are Raytheon Technologies Corporation, Airbus, Boeing, John Deere, Caterpillar, Toyota, Ford, Honda, etc. So if your project consists of top-down design such as an automotive company, you will most definitely want to use CREO. CREO would be also a better choice for any project consisting of large assemblies. SolidWorks is another 3D CAD software developed and published by Dassault Systems, used for product design, simulation, electrical design, product data management, and concept design, etc. Its major application is in creation of parts, assembly creation, and 2D drawing creation. SolidWorks also features sheet metal, weld mats, surfacing, mold, and die design. There are plenty of industries who uses SolidWorks like SpaceX, who designs, manufactures, and launches advanced rockets and spacecraft. Because SolidWorks has much more user-friendly interface, if you are looking to pursue a career in industrial design, SolidWorks would be the easiest option to find a job in designing firm. NX is one of the best product lifecycle management software developed by Siemens, used for design, simulation as machine tools solutions. Its design applications includes product design, electromechanical design, and mechatronics design. NX also used for structural, thermal, and flow analysis with simulation and optimization. There are many automotive companies who uses Siemens like Mercedes, Nissan, Fiat, Mazda, Suzuki, and General Motors. So if you are looking to work with product lifecycle management, then NX is the best platform for you.